Alright, so I have a RCA jack stuck inside of my amplifier for my car. So in order to get it out, I'm gonna make it short and simple for you guys. In order to get it out, if you notice, it looks like metal, but it's actually plastic in the middle of it. So that's why I broke. If it was metal, it wouldn't break so easily. So just work with it. This is a DIY, do it yourself. So I would use pliers, but I don't have any. So just get like a screw and put it in here. Well, a nail, because it's going to be really hot. So you get a nail, put it in. Oh man. Get a nail, put it in like so, and hold it down. And what you'll want to do is leave it at the fire until it turns red. You know, just let it get hot. Actually, both of mine were stuck in, and I actually got the first one out, and I just thought, like, I had this problem, so I know a lot of people might have this problem. So you see how it's glowing red? Then what you'll do is, I'm trying to do it with one hand and record at the same time. So what you'll do is, while it's still hot, touch the middle of it with the RCA and push it, you know, snug on it, and just let it sit. And you see how, like, because it's so hot, it actually, like, kind of sort of like just melted it. Just wait a couple seconds. This is live. Well, not live, but when you see it, it's not going to be live. But this is actual time. So just give it a second, you know. You can blow it, try to cool it. And, you know, just touch it. Make sure it's firm, the nail. And once it feels firm, like, be careful because the nail is still hot, though. And, you know, once it is not moving anymore, just pull it up. Oh, it's kind of in there, but fuck. Well, it might not work on the first try. You see, clearly it didn't just work. So just keep, okay. So what I'll do is drop it again. Hold on. All right, just redo it. It works though. I just literally just did it. But if you have pliers, that'll work better. And if I wasn't trying to record it, it will definitely work better. Hold on. So like I said, let it get hot. Let it get red, nice and red. And I have it pried up on my shirt, so here we go. Try to get it in the middle and go down as deep as you can. I know it's hot. I'm gonna feather it like so. Okay, just let it cool. Just let it cool for a second. I would use water, but being as though this is the amplifier, I don't want to get it wet, so. You know, just let it stay, and touch it. Yeah, it's fairly hard now. And just take it and pull it up. There we go.